Do you have a breaker that keeps tripping? A broken outlet or a damaged wiring? Electricity plays an important role in our lives. Lost power means lost time, lost productivity, and in some cases, lost money. So when electrical problems occur in your home or when it comes to electrical upgrade, you need the most reliable team of electricians. Electrical work is not something you should attempt to do yourself, and that's why we're here to help. Backed by years of experience, we're proud to offer the best services in the field. Our highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced electricians will treat you and your property with the respect and attention to the safety you deserve. No matter what electrical services you need, we will ensure that you get fast and satisfactory results at a fair price. So don't put yourself at risk trying to tackle electrical issues yourself. Call us today and get the job done right the first time.